This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome app using a mobile device. I will be using an iPhone SE for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I have my iPhone opened up here. First thing you need to do is open your Chrome app. I have mine in a folder here. I'm going to tap on it and open it. Now to enable or disable pop-ups, you need to first click on the 3-dot hamburger menu in the lower right hand corner. Then you will go down to where it says Settings and tap on that. And then you will scroll down to where you see it says Content Settings and select that. And now you see it says Block Pop-ups. I have it turned on. I'm blocking pop-ups right now, but if you want to turn it off, you just tap on it. And then right here you could toggle it on and off. Now I'm not blocking pop-ups. Now I'm blocking pop-ups. But that's how you enable or disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome app using a mobile device. Thanks for watching.